I'm Dr. Erin Prophet. I'm an academic who studies mystical experience, religious experience, and does cross-domain comparisons with the writing process. I am going to be teaching at Esalen. The workshop is Channel Your Creative Life, June 26th to 28th. I spent a lot of time thinking about how people write. There's an inspirational, mystical process that happens when material just seems to sort of appear in people's minds. That takes place for all kinds of people and not just artists and not just mystics. So we're going to be exploring that during the workshop. And then we're going to have an experiential component, which obviously Esalen is a wonderful place to do that. We're going to do a walk through the herb garden. So we're going to use all of our five senses. Ever since the pandemic in 2020, the economy's sustained a lot of shocks. Many people have lost their jobs. People find themselves suddenly scrambling. What am I going to do now? What's my next move in my adventure? And what I'm going to encourage people to do in this workshop, again, is to expand your notion of what creativity is and really get in touch with yourself and the part of yourself that sort of knows what your next move is, or maybe is fumbling toward that next move. Now, many people are using AI today. I teach at a university, and what I tell my students is that, AI can be useful, but it doesn't give you what's not there already. And I think that's what we're going to be trying to explore, is how to push the limits by going through stories of artists, scientists, philosophers, historians, talking about their process and how they have been able to overcome their blocks that are laid in their way, whether they're mental blocks or physical, logistical blocks.